Hello scholars, this week we're going to create a landscape using the element of art called form. You're going to have your paper horizontal, write your name either the left side or right side, doesn't matter, I usually write on the right side. And then when you're done, you're going to flip it over. The first thing you're going to do, if you have a ruler at home, if you do not, you could just draw the line. The line that I'm going to draw is horizontal, right in the middle of the paper. And the line is going to be a very light line. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to draw the house. Now the house is going to be three-dimensional, which means that you're going to see it from all sides. First, I want everyone to do is draw a line towards the bottom of the page. Just draw a horizontal line. Then you're going to draw a line going up on the left side, which is a vertical line. Now you're going to draw another vertical line that is parallel, meaning the same size as the other line. Now, on the top, I'm going to make a triangle. So now we made an open square, now a triangle for the top. Now we're going to make a open square, a open side square. So we're going to start off with a diagonal line on the side of the square. Then we're going to make a line going up, and then a line to the side. This is a diagonal line. Then we're going to draw another diagonal line for the roof, and diagonal line to connect the top of the roof. This is our house. Erase everything that's inside of the house only. Now I'm going to make a rectangle on the top of the house for the chimney. And then I'm going to draw the door and windows. So one rectangle or square for a door, and then one square, two squares on the top. Now we have two squares. We're going to draw the lines. So two lines, which creates a lowercase t. So we're drawing two t's. And then we're drawing a tree. So the tree is going to be, so here's the house on the left side, the tree is going to be on the right side. And we're going to draw a wavy line, two curved lines for the bark of the tree, erase everything that's inside, and we'll draw some curved lines for the tree. Okay, and that is the house and the tree. I'm going to outline and then start coloring the house, tree, ground, and sky. Okay, so now that I finished outlining, I'm going to start coloring the tree and the house. So for the house, I'm going to color the door. Color the door yellow, and then the doorknob orange, and the chimney orange. So I'm going to be using just the warm colors. Okay. And then the side of the house is going to be, actually the top of the house is, the roof should be brown. So we're just focusing on the house right now. Now, scholars, if you do not have brown, you could just use the yellow, orange. Really doesn't matter. That is okay with me. Now I'm going to use the red marker. And you can use red marker, colored pencils, or crayons for the top of the house. I mean the front of the house. The front of the house. And you're just going to finish coloring the whole house, not the door and not the windows. The windows are going to be white. So we're leaving them the same color as the paper. So now that the front of the house is colored, we're going to do the side of the house. I'm making the lines a little bit thicker. That's a lot better. Just to make the lines even, made them thicker. All right, now I'm going to color the side of the house red because the whole house is going to be red. Next up is the tree. So I'm going to color the tree bark brown. And I'm going to color the tree leaves green. Now, like I said before, if you don't have the color brown at home, you can use orange for your tree bark. Or if you have black at home and you don't have brown, you can color the tree bark black. Or you can use your graphite pencil, your pencil that you have at home. Now I'm going to color the ground green. I'm going to color the ground, which is the grass, green. And once I finish coloring the grass green, the bottom half, the top half is going to be the color blue for the sky. So here is the landscape colored with the grass and the blue sky.